What's up, guys? This is my 2000 Acura Integra Type-R. Yes, it is a real Type-R. Runs well, drives well. It is a clean title. Has the original motor and transmission in it. Sunroof. Type-R. It's got 214,000 miles on it. And it is there. This car is not mint condition, that's for sure. It's got an aftermarket front bumper cover. Let's have Desmond Regamasters Evo wheels. It runs really good, it drives really good. Original B18 C5 with VIN on the trans. So it does have the original drivetrain in it. The front bumper is aftermarket, as you can see, but it is a real ITR, and this is going to be the cheapest one for sale currently in the US. So 13 grand. The OG seats, the badge number, dash, spoon steering wheel, Comptech exhaust. Car has more parts on it than it's worth. But 13 grand for this car is a steal. The body's kind of rough. You can see it was repainted by Maaco at one point. And it is a real Type-R. The key way to tell is look under here, that bar right there. It's got coilovers, Comptech exhaust. Look at that. Where is it? There it is. But anyway, if you're interested, let me know. Thanks, guys.